Hey, Jason over here at Spirit Performance in Wendell, North Carolina. What's cracking, you guys? For the month of April, we're doing an egg hunt promotion, and it is exciting. So good. You come in, you get repair work done, and you hunt one of these eggs down in our lobby, and you get one shell of a deal. My puns are so good, I crack myself up. Your discounts are anywhere from $5 to $20 off of your ticket, and 2 of you lucky ducks will get an egg with a golden ticket. Inside that golden ticket is worth $100 in services. It is a service discount card. We are so excited about you guys coming in and checking this out and having fun with us so we can have fun with you. These are deals that you just can't beat.